Raiding the parents' liquor cabinet again, this time going in with a little Creme de Menthe. All right, welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And we are here for another episode of Raiding the Parents' Liquor Cabinet. And we are going to be trying some Creme de Menthe from Hiram Walker. And just in case I look a little different, not only are we raiding my parents' liquor cabinet, I am also raiding my dad's closet for a quintessential, we'll call it 80s, tracksuit. Got a Fila, throwback to 85. You can tell this has been in the closet for a while. The white is not quite white anymore. It's a little off-white. Creme de Menthe. Again, I'm going to make another Goodfellas reference because I'm pretty sure Creme de Menthe is what Henry Hill has right before he goes to jail. He does some shots of Creme de Menthe with his friends, and then he gets in the car and says, "Now take me to jail." I'm not a big mint fan when it comes to Creme de Menthe. I could eat fresh mint all day, but let's see how this Creme de Menthe. Oh my God! Oh, you have to be kidding me. I don't know if hopefully the camera caught that. But this is not green at all. This is like teal. I don't know if you can see that. It is literally like teal paint. I wanted to make this a fairly quick video because it's like 90 degrees and humid and I have a giant warm-up suit jacket on, but this teal Creme de Menthe is now scaring me, and now I think it's something that we need to talk about. I guess you can say this. It's not green. It ain't green. So I guess the question is this what happens when you keep Creme de Menthe in your liquor cabinet for 40 years? I don't know. Does that like bright green turn into a teal concoction? I feel like I'm in like a Frankenstein, like a chemistry lab. And they're putting together like some sort of weird liquid, and can you tell that I have fear in my eyes? All right, well, let's taste the Creme de Menthe. It smells minty. I mean, it smells authentic, so who knows? It's so bad. I wonder if somebody actually put NyQuil in the Creme de Menthe bottle. That's what it kind of almost looks like. Pretty much tastes like it. Oh, it's really bad. And fresh bottle of Creme de Menthe might taste like crap too, so who knows? But this is pretty horrific. My compliments to Hiram Walker for hopefully changing out the formula since this bottle was purchased. Well, I hope you enjoyed the pain that I put myself through for this episode, and as I kind of wipe some sweat off my brow, I hope you are enjoying your summer, and I will see you again next time. Cheers to you that you're not drinking this right now.